Hi friends, welcome to Genie Projects World. I hope you are doing great guys. It's been a long time that we didn't see. So today we are going to see a new PHP based web project. So it will be an interesting project. So don't skip guys. Just try to follow the full video so we will understand the installation and the setup and everything will be clear. So our project name was like online pizza delivery management system. So our home page will look like this only. So it will be our system's home page. So the project is designed with the ultimate motto to help the pizza shop owners to facilitate their customers to sell their shop's pizzas or various kind of snacks items, beverages, whatever they are selling it in physical manner. They can just post that products like listings in that online, so it will be a easy way to promote their business and also their sales will get increased. And moving on, this project system mainly focuses on ordering pizzas and along with that toppings or whatever dishes available along with it. So it will just list every items available so that the users can simply sign up, and the sign up and sign in process also will be very user friendly, so they can easily sign up through just a normal procedure like username and email address. So with that they can just sign up it, and once they sign up they can just log into that account and just can various scroll down that various products available, and they can just easily add to the cart, and whatever that online shop facilities available we are just provided it in a simple manner. So it will be highly user friendly, and in this system we will have just two kinds of users. So one is like admin user. As usual, the admin user will have the most highest privileges in the entire system. So they will entirely monitor and manage the system for overall facilities and adding features, adding the users. So they will have the all privileges. So for the user side, the end user can just able to log in to the account, and they can able to order the items and track it, and they can know about that order status and all. They can just do. So these are the two users that we have in our system. So I hope we had a short intro about our project. So let's deep dive into the project installation and get hands-on first. So first download the source code which is available in our video link. So first just download it. It will be a zip file. So once we download it, we are just ready for the installation part. So once downloaded, just as usual procedure, we have to extract the files. So just right click on it and just click the extract here option. So just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, it will get extracted all files. Okay, so now it's all completed. We have the folder like online pizza delivery. So this folder we have to just copy and move to that our htdocs folder. So then only our website files will be available to host it in our local server. So if you open it, we can see all the necessary files whichever we require for our website to be hosted. Even our db file also be available, so later we will extract it to import our tables into our database. So as of now, just copy this newly extracted folder to our htdocs folder. So wherever you have installed 𝒆𝒗𝒆𝒅 in your system, you have to drop this new folder into that particular location. So in usual procedure, it will be there under your local disk C drive, and there will be a htdocs folder named. So inside it you have to just paste it. In my system I had already done this. So once we have dropped that file here, so that the website files are ready to be posted. So the next step will be to import that tables whichever we require to store our user data into our database. So for that we need to start the exam services. So just go to start menu and search for exam. and just right click it and run as administrator mode. So our control panel dashboard will be look like this, and here we have to start the services like named like Apache and MySQL. So these two services only we will be need to run our website in our local server. So first we can start the Apache. Just click on that start button, and in the logs you can see it's just getting started. And once it started running, there will be a port number will be assigned to it. And similarly, we can just start the MySQL service also. Okay, so in the logs it's showing like status is running, and the port number also was assigned to now. So after these two services we have started, just click the admin button near to that MySQL option. Just click it once. So in your default browser, there will be a web page will be open. Here we can see our database server details, the server IP address and server type and server connection all will be here, and our username and all it will be displayed here. And in left hand side panel we have the option like new, and whatever the databases we have previously created all will be shown. So for our project we have to create a new database with the name like OPD. It's what the name that we have configured in our project, so we can use the same name. So just click on the new button, and once this page opens, under create database option, here I have to give the database name. So just type OPD, and remaining options and all default only. Just click the create button. So in my case, I had already created that database and it's already available under the database section. So I'm not going to do that. So in your system, you have to create this new database. So once you had created, just click on it. So initially it will be empty database. There won't be any tables available to view on it. So it will show like an empty database only. For that only we are using that SQL file whichever we have provided in our source code to import these all necessary tables to store our user records and the order details and all. We will use these tables. So once this database open, just click on the import option. Under here it will ask for the file name or file details. So just click on choose file. Here we have to select that particular file which we have it in our extracted folder. So just go to wherever you have extracted that zip file. I had kept it in my desktop. So I'm just copying it. Here you will have that .sql file, so it will show like a SQL text file. So we have to select that and just click open. So here the file name will be displayed. So remaining under options and all default only. And once the file we have given, just you have to give the go option here. Once given go option, it will take a minute or 2 minutes to completed. We have to wait for it. Once completed, these all tables will be extracted in that newly created database. So I had already done in my system, so I'm just skipping the step. So we had completed website file part and database setting up part. So we had completed our installation part. So now we can start our demo part. Lively, we can just host our website and we can see how the basic functionalities and what are the features are available in our system. We can see one by one now. So let's chalo friends. So in your browser, just go to the new tab and type here like localhost / and whatever the folder name that we have given for our project. In our case, it's like online pizza delivery / index.php. So this will be the home page for our site. It is index.php, and in this middle is like whatever the folder name that we have given, and this is the server name. So these three things are essential for our URL. So all these details should be entered correctly, then only it will show our website in the proper way. If we did any mistake or given wrong characters, it won't show our website. It will show the 404 error. So make sure it has been in the correct spelling. once all typed it and just click enter. So straight away we will get our home page like this. So in our home page we will have the navigation links on the top corner. So here we will have the home button and categories button. So under categories we will have various kind of pizzas which are available in our system, like veggie pizza, non-veg, pizza mania, beverages and toppings and all. It will be listed here. Under each of these categories there will be a separate page which will list that unique kind of pizzas and food items. And if you go slowly right, there will be a order section. We need to use this option, we have to be logged in user. They can only be able to view this section. And here we have the about us section. This about us section, like website, how the brand they are operating and what they mission, like that they will be shown. How happy the customer testimonials and how their team was doing, like that the basic information all will be displayed here. And there will be a contact us option also. So if the user has some query related to the food items or any complaints or issues related to the orders or tracking something, anything related to this system, they can just go on here and give the email address and phone number. If the issue is related to any kind of order they have placed, they have to give the order ID here. If the problem wasn't related to order, they can just simply give the number 0 and whatever the query they have in mind, they can just type it in the description box and submit it. So this message will be directly goes to the admin page, and the admin can able to view it and can reply on it. So this is the navigation links we have on top side, and here we will have the search bar also, so we can search for our favorite dishes here. And here we will have the cart icon. This option also we need to be a logged in user, then only we can able to see the items that we have added in our cart. And these two items and all we very well familiar with it, and as usual login and sign up item. Let me start with a new user. So we will go with the sign up option. When we click the sign up option, this will be the sign up page we will get, and here we have to give the username, first name, last name, email address and phone number and password. These are the options we have to give. So let's create a new user. Okay, we have filled all the details and just click the submit button. So here we will get the success message here, and our user has been successfully registered, and we can log in with that details whatever we have provided in the previous page. So let me log in now. The username. Submit. So I have signed in through the new user which I have created. So right hand side we can see our profile. So we can just click on it and we can see our profile. Here under our profile option we have the username. So username we can't change. Whatever we have provided during our sign up time, that cannot be edited after it. So the first name, last name and all we can edit and alter based upon the requirements. Email, phone number, password, it can be everything updated. And in the left hand side we have the profile picture option. So here we can just upload any profile photos we want to keep on our profile, and below we will have the logout option. So this will be the profile site for the user. Let's go to that orders and can make some order now. Just going to home page. Here we can just select anything. Just going with the non-veg. Okay, let me select this one. Just adding it to cart. So if we want to know this particular item description, we can just click on that quick view button, and here it will show the short description about that item, what we are just purchasing, and it will show the quick description of it and what category it is there. So we can go back again. Go there. I'm just adding this also. So I had added two items to my cart. One is Indie Chicken Tikka and Chicken Golden Delight. These two items I had added into my cart. So I'm just going back to my cart. So here we will get a display message like online payments are currently disabled. So why we are keeping this feature now? So in future, if you want to integrate any of your payment option with this application, so you can very well go and integrate it with it. So currently it's like a basic payment system only, it's applied here. So whatever the user has provided, they just will go through this page, and cash on delivery option only be the only default option will be available now. So if later if you want to integrate any payment option, you can just alter the code and integrate it very well. And you can remove this alert message also. So and the user can able to do the online payment also. So this option can be enabled later for future use. So as of now, we have the cart items here. We can see the quantities and the price. If we don't want to keep this item, we can just remove it. If we want to increase the quantity, we can just very well go and increase it, and the price will be dynamically updated. So once if you satisfied with this ordered items, you can just click on the cash on delivery option. The price will be displayed on the left hand side. So 847 total price and shipping 0. So once all verified, we can just go to the checkout page. In the checkout page, it will just ask for your delivery address. So here we have to give the delivery address and phone number, and finally we have to give the password to confirm our order. So let me give the order details. So once all details filled, just give the orders button. So here we will get the confirmation our order has been confirmed, and our order ID will be also displayed. So it will be used for the tracking that particular order. So what's the status of it, we can verify it. So we have successfully placed our order, and we can see our order here. So whatever the status it is available, we can see here. Order ID it will be displayed on our address, phone number, amount, and whatever the payment mode we have chosen. So as of now, the default payment mode is like cash on delivery, and that order date and timestamp will be shown here, and the status it will be shown, and items it can be viewed here. So if we click on the status button, we can just very well go and see estimated time and shipping, that particular delivery boy person name and status and tracking ID, everything it will be shown here. So we have just now ordered the item, so it's just showing like order placed. So once on that admin side, if we confirmed and updated the order, we will user also can able to see the order status updating here. So once order delivered, it will just come to this order delivered status. Till that we will every iteration we will get updates based upon the admin side update. So in items also we can see whatever the items we had given order. So these 3 items only we had given order. Similarly, we can order any number of items. We can just go and search anything. If we don't want to go each category wise, and we have simply having any food items just in our mind, we can just very well go to the search bar and can check it. Going for chicken pizza, so I'm just typing chicken and giving search. So whatever the search items related to chicken, it will all will be displayed. So these are the non-veg items which are available in this currently. So it will list out everything which are made up of with chicken or chicken as the side dish. So it will we will get all the items. So we can either choose the category option or just very well go to the search option. So both are convenient for the users to particularly select whatever the dish they were wish to order for. And so the user side, it's everything completed. I think we can just go and log out now. So let me log in for the admin side and we can see the admin console and all of its features now. To go to that admin panel, we have to just enter in our URL like online localhost / online pizza delivery / admin / index.php. So this will be the URL to access that particular admin panel. So just enter. Here it will ask for username and password. Username like admin, like password. Hit enter. So now we are logged in to the admin panel. We have successfully logged in and it is the admin panel. So in left hand side we will options like home, orders, category, menu, contact info and everything we will have here. We will just see one by one. This orders item I will come to last because we will have many items to discuss on this. So let me go on with the category list first. So under category list, we can very well see whatever the categories are already available in the existing system. Like we are currently having veggie, non-veg and pizza mania side. So these and all categories we are currently having and it will have that ID number. And if we want to edit it, we can go just edit option and we can update its photo or name or description, anything we can update it here. And if we create it wrongly also, we can just go and click this delete button to remove it from the system. Or if you want to newly create a new category also, it's very well fine. We can just give the category name, description and file we can give here. It will quickly create a new category and start listing on the below items. So this is the category option and the menu. So under each category there is a variety of food items and variety of pizza items, right? So all this are just created under this items list. So under this menu option we will have all the pizza items and beverages, whatever the things which we are selling in our site, everything it will be listed here. Everything will have the category ID and the image and details. So based upon the category ID, so all this will be organized. And here also we can just go and edit all the details and we can even delete it if we don't want. To create a new item, we can just give the name for that item and the description, its price details and under which category we want to list it out. So we can add that details and finally we can choose the image which we want to display. So once all these details have been filled, we can just very well go and create that. So that newly added item will be also displayed to that system under the category which we have chosen. So this is the two things. One is category and menu which we have seen now. The next thing will be like contact info. So this is the one which we have did just before. So if some user had any queries and they had used the contact us option in our site, so that particular message will come directly to the admin. So their user ID and email address, phone number, so everything will be displayed here and what that the user has been mentioned in that query, it will be displayed here and what date and time it all will be displayed here. We can just see from the history of this. So whatever under this history what we have replied to that particular customer, we can see here. So here the order ID 0 means the query is like a general query. It's not related to any orders. So the next option, we go to the user section. So here only we can see whoever the available users in our system. It will be like all every customers we can see from here. So if we find any customer like malicious or want to suspend or remove from here, we can just very well go here and we can edit or just remove from this system, so they can't able to access it. So here we can see that profile information of that particular user, or we can even go and edit and update that photo or anything we can do. So the admin has all the privileges. So even the admin can make the another user as admin also. So that feature also be available here. So currently there will be only one admin for the system to manage it. So our user newly created has been here. So this is the user section, and if admin also can directly add a new user from here using this admin panel. The user doesn't need to be go to the normal sign up page. We can just add it from here, new user option. It will be the same type, except that the user type it will ask, we can just give the user and we can fill all the details, and we will create the new user from here from admin panel also. And the next item will be like site settings. So site settings, it's like our website basic settings, like what are the name that we want to display in our site. So let me show you. So this is the name which was been displayed there. Whatever the name that we are giving here under system name, it will be displayed on the left hand side top corner. So if you want to edit some other name, we can very well go here and give some other name. It will be immediately updated here. And if you want to update your email address and phone number, contact details and address, everything we can just do from here. So whatever we are updating here, it will get reflected back in this contact section. So this address and phone number details and all, everything will be updated from the back end. So this is the site settings. And lastly, we come back to this orders. So under orders, we can see the history of users, whatever the users has previously ordered that, and the various kind of users what they have added entirely we can just see here. And if you want to print it also, we can just go and use this option and print it, like PDF or something. If you want to keep it as reference, we can print it. This refresh icon is like normal reloading the page. Instead of just giving here, we can just go and refresh it from here. So our latest order is like this one, the order ID 18, user ID 5. This is the latest one which we have given just before. So if you open the status, means it will show like order status like 0. So if we click this information icon, it will show whatever the numbers and its meaning. 0 means the order has been currently placed by the user. 1 means the order is confirmed. 2 means the order is preparing. And like that, 3 means order is on the way. 4 means delivered. And if user sometimes wants to cancel, means we can just go and update the status like order 6. So it will be cancel state. So if I'm updating like number 2, just I'm clicking 2. So order status will be updated successfully. If we go now here, it will show the delivery boy name and phone number and estimated time. These details and all it will show here. We can just go and update for this particular order. So I'm just giving some other name. And the order time, it will be maybe 20 minutes. So I'm just updating. So delivery details has been updated successfully. If you open it again, it will show the newly updated details. And, let me log into the user and I will show you how it's reflected now. So I'm just logging in that new user and just showing you. We can just go to the order details. This is the one which we have updated now in that admin panel. Now just click on that order status. So here you can see whatever the details which we have updated through the admin panel, same will be get reflected to this user panel also. So the whatever the details admin has updated, the user can get that order status updates here. Here it will show the delivery estimated time, so we can see, and user can expect that this time to be the arrival of their order. And shipping by, this is the delivery boy name and his phone number. These details and all whatever we have updated, it will be shown here, and status also it will shown here. It's like preparing, our order is under preparation, so the tracking ID will be newly created. So we update here like let me update it like order 4. Order status updated successfully. So if I am go back in to the user panel and just refreshing the page, so if I again open the status, it will be show like order has been delivered successfully. So this is the thing I want to show you guys. So under this order details, the admin can able to view entire list of whatever the orders which we have placed by many number of users, and they can able to view that items whatever they have ordered also. So that's it guys. I guess I have covered everything for the user side, and admin side we have seen everything. We have covered all the topics. Hope you have liked this new project, and if anything related to this project, ideas or suggestions are always welcome. So you can very well go and give your suggestions to our mail ID, and if you are get stuck at any step during the installation or the demo part, you can just ask the queries under the comment section. So our team will be able to help you, and they will guide you. So I will meet you in next new project guys. So until then, you will be happy learning, and stay connected, and keep supporting guys. Your support will be the great motivation to me and my entire team. So keep supporting, and for your each likes and comments, they are very valuable to keep us motivated. So do subscribe, and please help us to reach all your family and friends. So whoever needing this project, just make them aware to utilize this free kind of resources. Thank you friends, and hoping to meet you soon with a new project. Until then, signing off, your Genie. Bye friends, take care.